Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of finding the perfect credit card processing company for your business. It'll streamline your operations, enhance customer experience, and ultimately contribute to the success of your business. But with so many options available, how do you find a credit card processing company that aligns with your needs and goals? Well, in today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to help you in your search, and I'll also give you my top 5 recommendations that I've found through years of experience in the industry. But before I begin, I want to make it clear that I'm not sponsored by any of these companies, and I'm recommending the best services from my experience that have been consistent and have helped me improve the quality of my businesses. But nevertheless, I was able to find discounted links when I tried out the services, and I left them for you down in the description, so feel free to check them for lower rates. So with that out of the way, let's explore how you can find the best service provider for your business. You need to begin by assessing your specific business requirements. Consider factors such as the volume of your transactions, the types of payments you want to accept, online, in-store, or mobile, and any industry-specific needs or regulations. Understanding your unique needs will help you narrow down the list of potential providers. And don't settle for the first credit card processing companies you come across. Take the time to research and compare multiple providers. Look for reputable companies with a strong track record and positive customer reviews. Now, you also, of course, need to consider security, as it is a crucial aspect of credit card processing. Look for providers that offer robust security features, such as a PCI compliance, encryption, and fraud prevention tools. The safety of your customers' sensitive data should be a top priority for you, so choose a company that prioritizes security. And when it comes to financial services, reliable customer support is essential. Check if the credit card processing companies provide 24/7 customer support and various channels of communication such as phone, email, and live chat. Prompt and knowledgeable support can be critical in resolving issues and ensuring smooth payment processing. If your business relies on specific software platforms or POS systems, ensure that the credit card processing company integrates seamlessly with those systems. Compatibility with your existing tools can streamline operations and enhance efficiency. Now, before committing to a credit card processing company, you need to carefully review the contract terms. Look for any hidden fees, contract lengths, cancellation policies, and potential rate increases. You can also consider requesting a demo or a trial period from the shortlisted providers. This allows you to experience their payment processing solutions firsthand and assess their user-friendliness, efficiency, and compatibility with your business operations. And finally, you have to trust your instincts. After conducting thorough research and considering all the factors, go with the credit card processing company that feels like the best fit for your business. Trust your judgment and be confident in your decision. Now, I'll be sharing my top 5 recommendations for credit card processing companies, and these companies have been carefully selected based on their features, pricing, customer support, and industry reputation. I understand that every business is unique, so I've taken into account different needs and considerations to provide you with a well-rounded list. And you can get specialized quotes for your business from each of these companies, as well as those discounts that I mentioned previously, by checking out the links down in the description. First up, we have Pro Merchant, a reputable credit card processing company known for its competitive rates, robust security measures, and advanced reporting capabilities. They offer a wide range of payment solutions suitable for various industries. Additionally, Pro Merchant provides customizable payment plans tailored to your business needs, allowing you to choose the best pricing structure for your volume and transaction types. However, it's worth mentioning that Pro Merchant services might have limited availability in certain regions, so it's essential to check if they operate in your business area. Next up, we have Flagship Merchant Services, which is a notable credit card processing service provider that offers a wide range of payment solutions, including virtual terminals and point-of-sale or POS systems. Flagship Merchant Services provides transparent pricing with interchange plus rates, allowing you to see the actual cost of processing transactions. They also offer robust security measures, including PCI compliance and encryption, to ensure the safety of your customers' data. However, there may be additional fees for certain features or services, so be sure to carefully review their terms and pricing structure to ensure it aligns with your business requirements, or reach out to the customer support team for information. The third one we have is Payment Cloud. They specialize in providing credit card processing services to high-risk industries such as e-commerce or CBD businesses. Their flexible underwriting process and responsive customer service have earned them a solid reputation. Payment Cloud offers chargeback mitigation tools and fraud prevention measures to protect your business. Additionally, they integrate with several software platforms, including popular e-commerce solutions, making it easier to manage your online store. However, there might be limitations on certain integrations, so it's essential to verify if their integrations aligns with your business needs. The fourth one on my list is Payarc. a credit card processing company that stands out for its transparent pricing structure, customizable solutions, and fraud prevention measures. They offer a range of features and advantages that cater to businesses of different sizes. Payarc provides detailed reporting and analytics, allowing you to gain valuable insights into your payment transactions and customer behavior. They also offer chargeback protection and advanced fraud detection tools to minimize risks. However, it's important to consider that Payarc might have higher fees for international transactions. Ensure that their fees aligns with your business requirements, especially if you operate in a global market. And finally, Leaders Merchant Services has secured the top spot on my list for its competitive pricing, diverse range of payment solutions, reliability, and excellent customer service. They offer interchange plus pricing, providing transparency and potentially saving you money on transaction costs. Leaders Merchant Services supports various payment methods, including mobile payments and e-commerce integrations. And if you have problems with your current provider's prices, they've mentioned on their websites that they'll meet or beat your current pricing. And if they can't, they'll give you a $200 gift card for letting us review your current pricing. One slight issue for you might be that the setup process can be a bit time consuming, but if you're looking for the best service provider, Leaders Merchant Services has definitely got you covered. Remember, when choosing a credit card processing company, consider factors such as pricing, features, customer support, and industry reputation. Remember that what works best for one business might not necessarily work for another. Take your time to evaluate the options, read customer reviews, and even consider reaching out to each provider directly to address any specific concerns or questions. So that's going to be it for this video. We hope you found it helpful and that you learned something. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to get those exclusive discounts that I mentioned earlier, or want to learn more about the services that we mentioned, check out the links in the description down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments, as we love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.